Hello, good day, welcome back to another math video. Today we'll be talking about, or we'll have an exercise about triangle congruence. So for those who don't know yet what are the different postulates regarding triangle congruence, what are the SSS, the ASA, the SAS, and the AAS, I'm suggesting that you will check first our previous post about the topic. So let's have item number 1. So again, I made this as a multiple choice for us to easily answer these questions. So the instruction is determine if the two triangles are congruent, and if they are congruent, we are going to state how are they congruent. So let's have figure 1. Now again, always remember, in geometry, markings are very important or essential. So in this figure, we actually given that this side is congruent to this side. So we have S and we have another side, and we actually have another side, this one and this one. So again, we have another side, and the third side is this, right? So this side is congruent to itself. So meaning to say we have SSS. So is this triangle congruent? The answer is yes. How? We have the SSS postulate. Let's have number 2. So we are given again this side is congruent to itself. So we have a side. And then we have here an angle. This angle is congruent to this angle. So we have an angle. And this angle here is congruent to this angle. So we have A, and then we have A. So what is this? We have ASA. So we have letter D as our answer. Right? So therefore, the two triangles are congruent by ASA. Let's have number 3. So again, the same concept earlier. Let me just pick another color. So we are given this side is congruent to this side to this side, and again this side is congruent to itself. So is this two triangles congruent? The answer is yes. How? We have the SSS, or the side, and side. Let's have number 4. So again, this side is congruent to this side is congruent to this, and this side is congruent to itself. So we have SSS. So we have again letter D. Side. Let's have number 5. Alright, so number 5, we are getting the same items. We have this side is congruent to this side, so we have the side. This is congruent to this, and this is congruent to this. So we have SSS again. So that will give us letter D. What about number 6? Number 6. This is congruent to this, and we know that this is congruent to this. So let me just highlight the two triangles. So again, this is our first triangle, this one, and our second triangle is actually this one. Right? So what do we have here? We have SS. Right? We know that vertical angles are congruent. So this angle is congruent to this. So we have angle. Alright? On the other side, we have SAS. But on the other side, we are having ASS, which is not a thing. So basically, the answer for number 6 is what? It's not ASA. It's not AAS. The more, it's not SAS. So the correct answer for this one will be letter C, which is again not enough information. Let's have number 7 and 8. I think they will be the last. Alright. So number 7. This is congruent to this. And what else? This angle is congruent to this angle. And we have here vertical angles. Alright, so these angles are vertical angles and they are congruent. So we have angle, angle. So what do we have here? We have ASA. We have ASA, two angles and included side. So what letter is that? We have letter A. So number 7 is letter A. Let's have number 8, the last one. Alright, so this is congruent to this. And again, vertical angles are congruent. So this is congruent to this. And what else? Is there anything we know? So far we have SA. Alright, so it's not SSS. It's not SAS. It's not AAS. So basically, the answer for number 8 is letter C. Not enough information.